Hello, so like I always tell you guys, after creating a new paper account, you need to test it with at least $1 payment to family and friends. So right now I created this new paper account just a few minutes ago for one of my clients, and I told him that if he wants me to test it with at least $1 payment, but he said he will ask his friends to test it for him. So after creating a paper account like this, what you need to do is to first visit the link that I told you guys. So the link is paypal.com/restore/dashboard like this. Once you visit this link, I will post it in the description of the video. After creating a new account, visit this link, just load it. If a page refresh, if this page refresh, this means that this account is in good condition. But if you load the link paypal.com/restore/dashboard, if you load the link and it take you to the limitation page, that means that paper account was limited right away after you have created it, and in that case you cannot use that paper account. As you can see, once I load the link, this page was just refreshed, and this is talking about that this paper account is in good condition, and once a payment to family and friends enter it, the money will be made available to the available balance. Right? So that is that's about this video. This is just a short video. For instance, now this is a Iceland personal paper account, and it has an awesome features. It has a family and friends option, it has goods and services option. For instance, if I go to send and request payment and enter email address here, what you will see is the family and friends option and the goods and services option will appear. This paper account, this content paper account, Iceland personal paper account, is very good. So after creating it, test it using that link paypal.com/restore/dashboard, and after testing it, once the page refreshes, then you send at least $1 to payment of a family and friends, and once the money was made available, that means that the paper account is in good condition and you can start using it to receive payment right away. So if you need more tips relating to paper account like this, just like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to help me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and take the bell notification icon. Alright, and I also make videos relating to how to make money online and sharing a useful tools that will help you to succeed in your online business. So you might consider this subscribing to the channel to get all these tips once I release them. Alright, so that's that about this video, and this is 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗶 again from 𝗨𝗏𝗹𝗶.com. Have a nice day ahead. Peace.